Well, all of the original equipment manufacturers in terms of autos have gone ahead and announced the monthly sales numbers for March 2021. And as such numbers, analyzing these numbers, it appears as though, and it suggests as though that we are in a phase of consolidation across the end markets. The bright spot appears to be tractors, where demand continues to remain strong. Going forward, let's see how the auto sales numbers actually panned out in terms of the actual numbers that the companies delivered. Now, when you're talking about the auto sales numbers, starting off with the two-wheeler space, have a look at Eicher motorcycle sales. 66,000 units versus the 18-hour goal of 75,000 units. We have been telling you about how it appears as though the two-wheeler segment appears to have slowed down quite significantly due to the rising number of COVID cases and also the rising fuel prices, and also given the fact that there appears to be still some worries in terms of how exactly the spending power is panning across, especially in rural India. TVS Motors total sales are coming at close to 3.22 lakh units versus the 18-hour poll of 3.13 lakh units. So healthy numbers from TVS Motors. Hero Motors, again, quite a healthy set this time around, 5.76 lakh units versus almost up 72% on a year-on-year basis. When you're talking about Bajaj Auto, total sales here coming in up 52% at close to 3.69 lakh units. When you're talking about Atul Auto, now this particular company, the vehicle sales registrations or the vehicle sales performance at close to 1,751 units, up almost 61% on a year-on-year basis. Most of the brokerages have reacted to the auto sales figures. Jefferies says that the Indian auto industry has witnessed good wholesales across most of the segments in the month of March. They are saying that YOY growth figures look quite inflated, look quite large, mainly due to the fact that the base effect was quite low due to the COVID lockdown. Also, when you're talking about comparing these figures to March 2019, so they've gone back 2 years to see and do a year-on-year comparison. Even then, the comparison is quite favorable. PVs grew almost 9%, two-wheelers have risen almost 5%, tractors have grown 40% when you're comparing it on a 2-year basis, and this is something that augurs quite well according to Jefferies. The other thing that they're saying, domestic two-wheeler growth has been quite muted. However, the almost entire two-wheeler growth across segments was mainly and entirely led by Honda, according to Jefferies. Now, when they're talking about the registrations data on a year-on-year basis, almost 14% growth as far as PVs is concerned, 39% growth for the tractor industry. When you're talking about two-wheelers, it's gone down by 17% and almost a 24% dip as far as trucks are concerned. Interesting to see going forward how exactly the data pans out.